Welcome to the Chung Tien Enterprise YouTube channel. We are one of the largest manufacturers of industrial sewing machines and parts in Taiwan, with over 45 years of experience. Chung Tien Enterprise was founded in 1977 and is headquartered in New Taipei City, Taiwan. We specialize in the trading of various industrial sewing machine parts, including parts for sofa sewing machines, denim sewing machines, leather sewing machines, and more. We also supply parts for textiles, hosiery, laundry, food processing machinery, and more. In addition to parts, we manufacture our brand of high-quality, 100% Taiwanese-made CTEC 300U/300W chain-stitch sewing machines. We offer a wide range of industrial sewing machine parts, including sewing needles, sewing threads, bobbins, presser's feet, gears, bearings. CTEC 300U/300W chain-stitch sewing machines. Our CT 300U/300W heavy-duty chain-stitch sewing machines are perfect for tackling tough materials like denim, leather, coats, and sofas. These versatile machines are available in 1, 2, and 4 needle feed models, as well as 1 and 2 needle walking foot models in several gauge sizes. CT 300W long arm sewing machine for projects requiring extra space. We also manufacture the CT 300W long arm sewing machine. This machine boasts a 26-inch long arm, ideal for heavy-duty materials and wider applications. The reinforced arm ensures stability while sewing. The CT 300W is perfect for seaming, binding, and welting on applications like automobile upholstery, tents, tarpaulins, parachutes, sleeping bags, cotton wadding quilts, and other medium to heavy-duty products. It is currently available in a needle feed model. Our industrial sewing machines and parts are suitable for a wide range of applications, including garment manufacturing, footwear manufacturing, furniture manufacturing, automotive upholstery, outdoor products, industrial supplies. Thank you for watching our video. For more information about Chung Tien Enterprise and our products, please visit our website or contact us.